So I reviewed Nathan Haefele's problem, and which is 3-191. It's one where you have a steam pipe, and you have the outer ring, and then outside of that you have insulation, and your goal is to determine how much insulation you need to cut off 95% of the heat from escaping. And the other one is you need to find out how to keep the surface temperature 40 degrees centigrade. So, for the first part of the problem, what you're going to do is you're going to get the original with no insulation, and then what you're going to do is you're going to adjust by finding the resistance of the insulation and the resistance of the convective outward, and you're going to adjust that. I also followed Nathan's method and used solver. I ended up getting the same thing. For the second one, what you're going to do is you're going to use the formula to find the surface temperature, and likewise, I ended up getting the same thing with the solver. So when I looked at the problem, everything was totally solid. All the math had been done right. Like me, I saw that he worked it in Excel first to make sure that all the variables met and ended up looking good. And yeah, the problem turned out pretty well, and the feedback was pretty good. And so that is 3-191.